Hi, my name is Marieta, and today I will show you Imagine. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. Below us, buses on sky. Imagine all the people living far today. You men say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Hope someday